In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to change your name in Roblox. If you find the tutorial useful, be sure to hit like and subscribe. Changing your name in Roblox allows you to better reflect your current interests or identity. It also helps maintain privacy or rebrand your account for various reasons. Changing your name on your Roblox account is a straightforward process that can be done in just a few simple steps. Start by visiting the home page of your Roblox account. In the top right corner, you will notice your account name and icon. Clicking on this will open a small window where you'll see both your account icon and your current username. If you wish to change this display name, continue with the next steps. From the home page, look to the left-hand side panel and click on the More option. This will bring up a menu with several choices. Here, you need to click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, you will see a section called Account Info. Click on it to proceed. Now, on the Account Info page, you will find your current display name listed. To change it, click on the Change Display Name icon located next to your name. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter the new name you want. After typing in your desired display name, simply click on the Save button. Once saved, your new display name will be updated and reflected on the Account Info page, and it will be visible across Roblox. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.